తీ చేసా.
This is an IKEA.
Your words are lost on me.
What's that word?
It's taking everything
What's that word?
not to turn around.
The menu of
Throw it away.
what's that word? The menu of
See if you'll let
cat.
go
Oh,
of me.
this is IKEA's
You're not
catalog.
holding me.
Guys, you guys are making noises.
See it now.
Tip, unisex tip. If you are having a bad hair day, then this is what you have to do.
But if I'm gonna lose you,
Your hair is not going to listen to you. Don't comb, just do this. And you're ready. ठीक है, बहुत लग रही हो.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Alive to Tell a Tale. My name is Sharmishta and today we are doing another vlog. मैं आपको बता दूं मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ, थोड़ी सी डरी हुई हूँ क्योंकि बाहर का वातावरण is telling us कि summer is already going to get over. So I decided I'll make full use of the leftover days of summer. So today I am going to a store which when was open in India needed cops to control the crowd. A store that had stampede as soon as it was open. By now you might have understood, but for those who didn't understand, I'm going to IKEA today. वैसे देखा जाए तो IKEA का first outlet was opened in Hyderabad. Though it was so close to my house, I've been there only once and I've hardly bought anything. Though IKEA stores are identical all over the world, but it really feels special to go and visit a store from its place of origin. So like most of you know, IKEA is European. To be more specific, it's Sweden. आयरलैंड स्वीडन से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, तो आज आयरलैंड वाले स्टोर देख लेंगे. कल जब स्वीडन जाने का मौका मिलेगा तो वहाँ पे भी जाके देख लेंगे. अमाउंट ऑफ स्टफ माय मम ओन्स, वी कैन मेक आवर हाउस लुक नथिंग लाइक बिफोर every 3 months. Over exaggerated. Yeah. But now that I'm here and I'm living a bachelor life, and to make it up to the atrocious looking glass hub that a lot of you might have noticed in my cooking videos, I'm going to go buy some stuff at IKEA. So let's go. हेलो, हम आ गए हैं. इस दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा गधा कौन है पता है? मैं आयरलैंड में 2 साल से रह रही हूँ, जानती हूँ कितना ठंड होता है. मैं एक नॉर्मल सा जैकेट लेकर आ गया, मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही है. अब हमें पैदल जाना है यहाँ से IKEA. मैं पहले अपने घर से आई boarded bus number 11, then I got down at city center, then I took bus number 4 to get here, and now I'm going to walk all the way to IKEA. You can see.
walking away. Your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost.
Hello people, कल रात घर वापस आने के बाद I just hopped and slept. क्योंकि मैं बहुत थक गई थी. Yesterday was a very poorly planned day. Only because it was a very impromptu plan. We had no plans to go to IKEA at all. वहाँ हम जैसे ही पहुँचे, we realized that we reached at around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and then we were standing in the line for more than an hour. जब तक मैं अंदर पहुँची तब तक मेरा बैटरी completely down हो चुका था. मेरा बैटरी, कैमरा का नहीं, मेरा बैटरी. And also we thought that we didn't want to make you cringe while watching the video that we're touching everything in the store. So I did not record a lot of what I was doing in the store, but I'm going to sit and show you the entire stuff that I bought here. I blew away money. I paid 125 euros, and there's more to come. Like there were certain things that I couldn't carry home, so I'm going to place an order घर बैठ के. So I'm going to show you a lot of things that I bought that I could bring with myself. Here is a big bag of stuff. I'll show you the bag first. This big bag and a a piece of furniture. So I'll show you one by one, okay? I'm going to, like always, start counting and then I'll forget the count. So आप लोग रख लेना count, ठीक है? तो पहला plant, ये artificial है, but I think it's a good prop to put around the house. It feels there's a lot of greenery outside. बाहर green देख देख के मैं पक चुकी हूँ, पर घर के अंदर कुछ greenery नहीं था, तो हम ये लाए हैं. और इसको होल्ड करने के लिए एक pot. We can put it inside this and put it somewhere. Next, अच्छा last में दिखाऊँ ना toolkit. Next we bought a computer holder, like a desktop और a laptop holder. इसको रख के फिर उसके ऊपर laptop रखने से it'll be steady. Next, my mom wouldn't appreciate this because she's a huge Tupperware fan, but we bought IKEA से डब्बे. There are 17 boxes in this. 17. Quick tip, यहाँ पे सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. इंडिया से डब्बे उठा के लाने की जरूरत नहीं है अगर आप पैकिंग कर रहे हो. यहाँ पे खरीद लेना. मैं इसे खोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे देखना है कि सबसे छोटे वाले डब्बे कैसे दिखते हैं. वहाँ पे कोई डिस्प्ले पीस नहीं था. These are 17 boxes. अगर हमें ज्यादा हो गए तो हम पड़ोसी को बांट देंगे. Then we got chopping boards. When my mom bought this, she gave me one. She gave the blue one and she gave me the grey one. I thought we were using it a lot, so I'll get another set. So it's pretty cheap, so I bought it. Set of 2. This is a bathroom accessory. You can use it as a holder. You can put bottles, shampoos, and all of that. So I bought this one. Oh, this is my favorite. It's a छोटा सा जेल में नहीं रहते. जेल का जो कटलरी नहीं होता, छोटे छोटे प्लेट्स और छोटे छोटे मग, वो लाया मैंने. वैसे तो I would have been a very aggressive unpacker because मुझे neatly unpack करना आता नहीं है. पर अब वीडियो बन रहा है तो मैं सोच रही थोड़ा decently करूँ. Look, George is a cup. It's a set of 2 that I bought for €5. I don't know if it's expensive or no because I felt like it's so worth it. They're of good material and they have a light orange lining here, so I really like this. So I bought it. Then we bought a set of loofah. There are 3 loofahs in here. जिसे पता नहीं कि loofah क्या होता है. It's like a body scrubber. You put some body wash on it and then scrub your body with it. It's a good shower experience. Then a pair of napkins, face towel. I got a chopping board, another one. Don't think I'm mad. इतना कोई खाना बन नहीं रहा है मेरे घर पे. But I actually wanted to place an order for a trolley that I really liked, and this particular chopping board can be used as a lid to place on it. When I get that delivered, I'll try and make another video, or I will post a picture of that trolley on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. And I will show you how it's, I can show you how it was assembled and then how this goes on top of it. It can be used as a chopping board, or it can also be used as, I forgot. Oh yeah, as a food station. Like if somebody really wants to offer your loved ones breakfast in bed, then you can take this. This is an IKEA. This is IKEA's catalog. This is reusable chopsticks. There are two pairs inside. Like you see me having pad thai, I mastered the art of eating with chopsticks, but they were conjoined. Now it's time to practice with these. Then we got hangers for cheap. It's a set of I don't know how many, but there are a lot of them, and there are a lot of them, so I bought them. Then I bought a duvet cover. For people who don't know, a thicker blanket is called a duvet, and then you cannot put it on yourself just like that. So you need a cover. So this is a duvet cover. It's a nice blue checks one. I bought another pair also. I can't find it. Oh, it's here. This is a black and white wala checks. I really like checks. I think they look really classy. It's very heavy. Then I bought coasters, hot pans रखने के लिए coasters. It's a set of 3. Very useful. Then I bought a pumper. इसको pumper बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं इसे? इसके ऊपर भी नहीं लिखा. Made in Czech Republic. Okay, anything. You can just see. A lot of people listen. शैम्पू को डायरेक्टली सिर पे मत लगाना, बहुत ही हानिकारक होता है. तो शैम्पू को इस किसी पंप में डाल के आधा शैम्पू से भरो और उसके बाद पानी से भरो, उसके बाद यूज करना. टिप, बहुत टिप दे रही हूँ मैं अभी. आधे से ज्यादा मैं फॉलो किया करती थी, कभी करती हूँ कभी नहीं करती हूँ, पर अब बिकॉज मैं आप लोगों को बोल रही हूँ मैं सारी कर रही हूँ. और ये कोई पता नहीं ब्रश है, फूला है पता नहीं. दिस इज अ सेट ऑफ कड़चियाँ. ये कड़चियाँ, इसमें एक चिमटा है, एक फ्लैट कड़ची है, एक दाल उठाने का है और एक पास्ता उठाने का है. I got a set of cutlery. Okay, so the bag is done. I think everything is in here. Then I bought a table. I don't know why. And just because I bought this table, now I feel like I can own a dog because everything that's going to be on the floor is going to get onto this table now. We'll talk about that later. This is a table. I don't know if I'm going to show you when I assemble them or no, but I will post a picture of the table on my Instagram. So follow me. Okay. मैं आपको एक और चीज दिखाना भूल गई. कभी भी घर पे स्क्रू ड्राइवर नहीं होगा तो ये सब ला के इसको कैसे फिक्स करोगे? तो ये हमने लाया एक टूल किट. ये है स्क्रूज और ये है स्क्रू ड्राइवर, हथौड़ा, चिमटा, पता नहीं क्या क्या है इसमें. So we bought both of these also so that we don't have problem in fixing these. IKEA lies on the other side of the city, so we couldn't get everything that we wanted, but we did note down the numbers and stuff like that. So now we're going to place an order online. So if you like my vlog, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Please subscribe. I'm working really hard. And click on the bell icon to get a notification every time I post a new video. Until next time, see you. Bye.